Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to AS Unlocker Solution. You can see our order is done. This order to be complete can take 1 to 3 days. Our order completed, and we are back to our website asunlocker.com and check our order is completed, and you can see here the 172 digit code here. 172 digit code total here. You have to copy and paste to unlock your phone. You can see this phone is still locked. And we will unlock the phone with this code. So first of all, we have to transfer this code on this phone. We already log in a WhatsApp on the phone, and we will transfer this code on WhatsApp, and we will copy paste from WhatsApp. So wait to transfer. Code has been transferred to my phone, and I will open the WhatsApp and copy the code. You can see the same code has been transferred on the phone, and here code, this code and this is same. So tap here and copy the code. Go back to dial tab. On dial pad you have to dial this code. You can use 3 types of code, anyone you can use. Please import the unlock code. We will paste the code in here and tap OK. You can see this device has been unlocked. This phone is unlocked, and you can check by this dialing code. You can see the phone is unlocked already. Thanks for watching my video, and this video will be helpful for you, I hope. And stay with AS Unlocker and keep using the AS Unlocker.